Ever wondered how to install Windows XP in just minutes? In the next few seconds, you'll learn the quickest way to get Windows XP running smoothly. First, insert your Windows XP CD and restart your computer. Press any key to boot from the CD. Once the setup screen appears, hit Enter to begin the installation. Read and accept the license agreement by pressing F8. Next, you'll choose a partition for Windows XP. Select an existing partition or create a new one. Format the partition using NTFS. The setup will begin copying files to your hard drive. After files are copied, the system will reboot. Let the installation continue without pressing any keys. Once Windows XP loads, follow the prompts to set up your preferences. And there you have it. Like what you see? Subscribe for more.